A $4.7 billion jury verdict against Johnson & Johnson helped spark the company's biggest annual share loss in a decade, spotlighting the potential cost of alleged health risks from its popular baby powder. The initial stock loss was over $45 billion. So, was this an overreaction? Let's take a look. The St. Louis jury sided with 22 women who claimed asbestos in the powder caused their ovarian cancer. While the award was eye-popping, the sixth largest ever in a product defect case, J&J will likely pay far less as no verdict of that size has survived appeal. Indeed, of the 25 largest U.S. jury awards, 23 were reversed, drastically cut, or were against defendants with few or no assets who couldn't pay. The remaining two, including the one against J&J, are still under appeal. Most such reversals are by judges overruling angry jurors or enforcing court-imposed limits on punitive damages. Juries can be somewhat arbitrary, and the civil system is set up so a judge can determine if an award is overvalued. Even if trial judges don't intervene, defendants have more opportunities to knock down verdicts through multiple appeals that can lead to new trials or force plaintiffs to settle for far less. As a consequence, it's become a truism in civil litigation that the larger the jury verdict, the more likely it is to be reduced or reversed. To be sure, such lawsuits aren't without risk. Since losing its first big talc-related verdict in St. Louis in 2016, the number of such cases against J&J jumped to more than 11,700 from 1,400, and the company expects more. The number of trials set for this year will more than triple to at least 26 from just 8 in 2018. While J&J disputes any link between its baby powder talc and cancer, it may have to cough up as much as $20 billion in settlements to resolve all of the cases, and that is according to Bloomberg Intelligence litigation analyst Holly Froome. The $4.7 billion verdict in July was upheld by the trial judge in December. It has been appealed by the company, which saw its shares tumble 7.6% in late 2018. A big reason jury awards are so vulnerable is that they often include substantial punitive damages or awards for non-economic claims such as pain and suffering. Judges routinely cut back punitive awards because the higher verdicts come with a greater level of scrutiny. Trial courts may uphold punitive awards, but they're less likely to be sustained on appeal if they exceed guidelines issued by the U.S. Supreme Court in 2003. The guidelines limit punitive damages to no more than 9 times a compensatory award, and the ratio may be 1-to-1 if the compensatory award is particularly high. We may not know the final impact on J&J for a long time because some reductions on appeal are huge and appeals take a long time. Even if the plaintiffs win, they may have to endure long appeals along with reduced payouts. Additionally, with many appeals, verdicts can blow up at any stage. The verdict can be thrown out and a new trial can be ordered. Some cases wind up being tried multiple times. So we're just going to have to sit back and wait and see. But time may be on the side of J&J. But for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.